Hi! In front of me is TCL 4DSE, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Following that, click on this icon with a camera and a photo located at the bottom left corner. Now just click on any photo that you wish to add. If you wish to add multiple ones, click on them as well. You can also access Gallery section instead. Select all of your photos from here and tap on Add at the top right corner. If you can't see your photos over there, tap on Gallery again, but this time select Folders. Now you need to hold any photo that you wish to add from one of those sources and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!